I almost forgot my microphone again. Again. Thankfully, I just thought about it. All right. So we have a lot to talk about. The market has done so much since last night. I actually went live last night. It was a bunch of fun. We have a gap to fill down here that actually still hasn't even been filled yet. So this was from the open last night, which is not usual on just a random night, but yeah. Um, okay. Okay. I need to get organized. I don't even have my chop zone on here. Well, I'm sure we're far away from the chop zone because you can see we've made some huge moves. The chop zone might have been in this area, and it looks like it probably already left. But where's my chop zone from yesterday? It's like down here. It's 9:24. I have 6 minutes to get my shit together. And then I have to tell you guys what happened overnight. 11:332. I really needed that sleep. 11:092. Okay. All right, this is the chop zone. We're actually not that far away from it. We could definitely come back. Huge chop zone today. Over 200 points. This is that gap, so it does need to come at some point and fill that. That doesn't mean it will necessarily happen today. It could be, tomorrow, Thursday, whatever. All right, this is the chop zone. It's pretty big. Hey, Carter. Good morning. I hope you guys liked the live stream last night. That was a bunch of fun. Okay, let's talk about what's happened since last night. This is what I want to show you guys. Y'all, the fast scalper is green. It was as high as 1,500. Let me show you that picture. Or 2,500. Hold on. Look at this. This was overnight. 2530, like insane. Again, I'm still testing this, but it's good to just see. So it was like 1850 a minute ago. Now it's 1650. It had a loss. YM and NQ are both on the scalper. And ES, YM, NQ. These three are the scalper. I just woke up at 9 a.m. and they're all three of these are green, $1,200. So that's insane. Like, that's really insane because I was asleep the whole time. And most of them just started at 8 a.m. So they all probably got this huge move. Awesome. So I'm super excited. So, okay. It is like there is so much going on right now and today. Good morning in YouTube. Good morning. Hey, y'all. Oh, let's also go over this. Like, there are people in the group that have already posted results for today, and it's insane. So Garrett already made 7,000. I don't know what he was trading, but insane. Or like the sizing, he's clearly testing. Michelle was testing out her trading skills because she's one of my students, so she's up 46 in simulation. And then Camby, he is live. He's one of my students as well. He's up $1,000 this morning. He posted a few times because and this was at 7:45. He was done 7:45. He made $1,000 and he's done. Karan, first night using the night range bot with the group, made $85. Thanks for the hearts. Yes, let's make some profits. And then, this was Camby again. He was just saying he manually traded thanks to my class. So, awesome there. Okay, cool. Let's go back to what's actually happening. So, this is the NASDAQ. Let me bring this back into focus. 1 second. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. I was a little late today because I'm kind of all over the place. The fast, do I not have the slow? Is my slow not... Oh, my slow doesn't... Does my slow not start until... Oh, no, that's my slow. Oh, I thought it was the NQ scalper. Never mind. The slow is 525. I thought it was my scalper. Oops, my bad. My NQ scalper actually hasn't made any trades yet. All right, we got a lot going on. I need to, so they're not indicators. It's my auto trading algorithm. If you want more info, you can email me here at boldbotllc@gmail.com. The market opens in 2 minutes, so you'll be able to see it live. I will show you the different algorithms, how they work. Oh, you know what else I still need to do is put some of my targets on here. Let's squish this chart and fix this a bit. So this needs to be 11,440. So we're almost at that, and then this all the way down here, 10,997. All right, so I'm not really worried about the lower one because it seems like we're going to continue moving up today. We will see. Let me close out this over here so I have more bandwidth. There's no delta because these are not options. These are futures contracts traded on the futures market. Where's the notification posted for the live event last night? There was no notification. I literally just went live because I wanted to. I don't ever really post a notification. I was just sitting at my computer and I wanted to go live. Hey, YouTube, I see 31 of you in the group. If all of you could just push the thumbs up one time today, that would be awesome. Andy already made his $990 or $890. Andy makes around $900 every single day just by following what I taught him in the mentorship. Great job, Andy. Yeah, DL, I was at my computer and I was like, oh, I kind of want to go live. And I went live for an hour and we had some good conversations and we saw some trades and we explained some algos and kind of just hung out. So you got to be on the lookout. If you have your notifications turned on, I don't know if it tells you when I'm live. I know if you're in the app, it will show you at the top with like a red circle around me.
Order submitted.
All right, market's open. Let's see what's happening. Let's go over to this, which is the fast scalper. Oh, I feel like I need to really restart my computer today. Super laggy. It's in a short. So you'll see if we get to 200 on this trade, there it goes. The stop loss moves itself. Ramez, thank you for the live trades. Feels good to see these futures traded. Oh, sure thing. I love spreading the good word. Whenever I say the good word, I feel like I'm like some type of like super religious person, which is funny. But yeah, no, I love talking about futures. I love trading futures. So
order canceled.
all right, so again, we're starting off the day in this setup, green 1600.
Order submitted.
So both slow and fast are in
Order
shorts. I'm going to turn this volume down a bit. Yes, Amber. Yes, Amber. Oh, Amber. Where's Mo? I'm going to tell Mo his questions can come back. Oh, yeah, Chicago. I mean, Danny, that's a good reminder. I should do that now, huh? You're right. You're right. Thank you for reminding me. But overnight, I did both and they were both okay. Again, it's not about comparing yourself to other people in the group. Is it going to turn back on? Where's my calculating? Some people in my group are just manual traders, and some people in my group are just algo traders, and some people do both. The point is, you figure out who you are based on, your experience and what you're doing. Like, a lot of my manual traders are my students, and that's why they're manual traders, because I've taught them to easily read the market and then they can trade it with no problems. Somebody else just posted results. Oh, well, Andy just got another move. He just made $1,790, and now he's done for the day. And what is it? 9:33. I'm hungry. So this is in longs only now, so it might not get as much. See, now we gotta find slow. Where's the slow? Fast. This is in a short for $435. Let me put this on the chart trader. Oh, it just took profit, but I still need to put it on. I don't even know which one it's. Maybe this? Nope, it just took another short. 1 second. Oh, and then it already got out. All right. Sure thing. All right, if you have questions, let me know. Sorry, I'm still getting orders. Remember when I used to get orders? Yes, I do. All right, so we're in another short here. This is on the slow scalper. I'm trying to get this out of the way. Again, once this hits $200, the stop loss will move itself. Yeah, for sure. But I usually only like to do longs over... Oh my gosh, everyone keeps asking this. Andy is both, Amir. But he is my student. And so my students like to take advantage of the open and trade it and make, you know, $1,000 or whatever. Then they go to work and the algorithm trades for them later in the day. So again, range, which is the most conservative and the like most chill algorithm, because it can only trade a maximum of twice per day. That one is, I wonder if we probably won't have anything on this. I wonder if I should know. That one doesn't trade until later. So, you know, he's not going to have any results to post with the algorithm until later, if there are any. Like yesterday, there were no trades. So on the conservative setup. All right, we're in another short here. You can see that here. So if you want to learn more or more information, just email me, boltbotllc@gmail.com. Yes, it's fully automated. Correct. No, I'm responding to people in my group over here. Sometimes they have a bunch of questions. All right, let's look. Well, this is kind of having a choppy open because it's not sure what it wants to do. Let's look at the 3 from last night. So this is my chart where I have all 3 setups. I don't think this one. So RTY didn't have any trades last night. Or this morning, but YM did. So YM had this long. It only took 1 trade and made $510. So this got in at 8:05, and it got out at 9:10. And then down here, this is ES. ES made $237. It got long here at 8:05 as well, and then it got out a little sooner at 8:25. Damn, if that ES would have ran up here, it would have been 69 instead of 62, so another $7, $350. So that would have been around $500 too. So the stop loss, it depends on the strategy. The scalpers, like the fast and slow scalper, they're both $200 for a mini contract. Like this is $200, and then range is a little different. It's a bit higher, and then on some of the strategies, it could be like $300. I think YM is $300. So we have a few levels here, and then this pivot ultimate target. So we can see that it tried to move up here, and now it's pulling back. And we can see here that at 840, this was a resistance level as well at 11,396. You said it right when you said loss, stop loss, not stop lost. Stop loss. No, I only trade. Okay, Beerp. Well, you have to have an account with NinjaTrader, so you won't be able to sign up today unless you already have an account with NinjaTrader. But it's boldbotllc@gmail.com, or you can just go to my website. How hard is the system to learn? It's not hard at all. You just load a file and then you turn it on. Where's Danny? Danny, I want my shorts back. So, kind of a big move this morning at 8:30, so things are a little more chill right now. Yep, sure thing. I have to turn my range on. I'll do that in a little bit because I don't want... One of these isn't a long. I should probably turn fast off. Where's slow? I need to also name it because I didn't. No, that's the 5 minute. Let me rename this. You know, I should have put this all together, all 4 of them. I'm going to do that tonight for sure. Here we go. This is it. Let me rename this so it's easier to find. So it depends what you're looking to do, like I trade futures. I always tell people to start on YouTube and kind of like watch some stuff and see what interests them. But yeah. Yeah, I agree. It doesn't teach. If you want to teach, then go buy my course. But I'm not here to just force people to buy something. So if this person says he's new to trading, where does he start? That's all he said. He didn't say, I'm ready to learn right now. Like, you know, he needs to know what he actually wants to do. Does he want to trade options? Does he want to trade stocks? Does he want to trade forex, futures? Like, there's a whole bunch of different options. So, bro, I'm telling him that he should watch some stuff to see what he has interest in. No, I don't trade stocks. I only trade futures, NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, the S&P 500, oil, gold. No stocks, no crypto, no forex. Futures for life, for sure. So my YouTube is right here. If you want to watch the information that I put out, I've been putting out information on YouTube for over 2 years. You can go there. If you want to start using BoldBot, the minimum is $2,000 in your account. That's the minimum. If you want more info on my bot like this, then you need to email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I don't get it, Victor. I don't get it. I don't get it. Where's Aaron at? Aaron! Oh, it's only 9:45. This is the NASDAQ, yes. Hey, guys in TikTok, can you tap the screen? Because there's only 130 likes. Last night we had 4,000 likes. Like, there's 114 of you in here. Just tap the screen like 5 times. Like this, look. Just go like this. And there'll be a whole bunch of likes. There we go. There we go. It's like a video game. So I have shorts off here, and that's why it's not No. Actually, no, that's not correct. This is slow. Fast, I have shorts off. My bad. So we're coming all the way back to the chop zone. This happens pretty often if we've moved quite far from the chop zone. It usually comes back as like a sign of comfort. That's how I like to look at it. And then we can possibly bounce and go back out. I do have a level here right under the top of the chop zone at 11,326. We'll see if we can get to that area and then bounce up. What oil do I have? Yeah, we don't do crypto here. Put all the moolah on your screen, smashing the likes now. Thanks, Rome. Mo! Oh, Mo, I need you. You and Amber got to get together and you can help her answer all of her questions because I feel like it's a Mo 2.0. You trade pre or just at the open? No, so my auto trading algorithm trades for me 23 hours a day. So you just have to ask specifically, Anvar. It all depends. I just group them together. I'm not going to just specifically say he took the mentorship, he took the one-on-one. If you say, what did Andy take, then I'll tell you. But it's just too much. Like, it's just too much to cover. Right on. Oh, sorry. My little box is gone. If you want more info, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. It is also in my bio. My website's also in my bio. But if you're on TikTok and you are on my bio and you try to click on the website, for some reason it doesn't load, even for me. But if I go to a website and I just type in Bold Analysis LLC, it does load. So, I don't know. Good morning, Kevin. Well, it would help to know if I pay 1,000. Well, so Anvar, so then ask. You can always start with the digital mentorship. Like, people last night said I'm a lot nicer at night. And I'm like super sweet at night. Hey, thanks for giving me all that information, Siri. I am a futures trader. This is the NASDAQ 100 NQ on the futures market. So yeah. But thank you for giving me your information. I appreciate it. He did the digital mentorship, but then you look at Kenny and Jen, they did the one-on-ones, or Justin or Bill. Like, he made, look, Andy was a digital student of mine 2 years ago. Let's look at where's Kenny from yesterday. Jen is a one-on-one student. Randy is a digital student. Camby's a digital student. George is a digital student. Kenny is a digital student, 22,000 yesterday. Vivi is a digital student. She made $1,200 yesterday. Like, all of my students kill it. Doesn't really matter what course you take. It really depends on what works better for you. Some people need the one-on-one attention. Some people don't. Texas, what's up? Texas is so awesome. Yeah. Camby's in the chat. What's up, Camby? So what I'm saying is, you can start with the digital mentorship. If you feel like you need more time or you need more one-on-one attention, then you can upgrade to the one-on-one, and you only pay the difference in cost. You don't pay for both. Yep, sure thing. Hopefully Bill G. I don't know how to say your username. Pretty much, Amber. I would reach out to NinjaTrader. Make sure you check all of your inboxes, like your spam or whatever, because if they needed something extra from you, they would have emailed you. Like, if they needed, say, a water bill with your name on it or something, they would have emailed you. So make sure they have everything they need, because typically you're approved within 24 hours. Like, most people, unless you're opening an LLC brokerage account, you're typically approved within a few hours. I mean, within 24 hours. No, so Anvar, that varies too. Some of my members that are students start with as little as 5,000. You don't need 20K just to be a student. Yeah, they wanted Bill. Oh, all right, we got this move here. This is the NASDAQ 100, so it's on the futures market. It's not a pair. It's not forex. It's futures. Need to call NT. Haven't seen it funded yet. Yeah, Bob, I would give them a call. Typically, the funds will show up also 24 hours after you do an ACH. If you did the ACH after 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it could take longer. Like, their cutoff is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I think Amber was just making a joke. So I'll just keep winning and posting. See, and this is what happens once you actually get settled in. Like, Andy actually didn't take this seriously until 2022, even though he took my course in 2020. And now he just messaged me. He said, I'm so steady now. I don't know how I would get on your nerves, because he used to get on my nerves. And he's like, so I'll just keep winning and posting. Like, literally, it's just a formula for him now. He does exactly what he does every single day with the NASDAQ. He makes $1,000 and then he goes to work. and he's usually done by 9:30, 9:33. So that's how the transition happens, and that's how Kenny has been able to increase his sizing and still comfortably trade and then make these crazy gains. YM is in a short and it's green, $220, 265. It's about to hit target. Oh, it hit target. All right, so YM just hit target here on this short. If you can see this, $300. YM is 1-for-1 on this setup today. The other setup is also 1-for-1 for $500. So obviously you can't trade YMs at the same time, but these two were not on at the same time. So if you had both of these YMs on, that's $800 right there. He's doing 1 minute out to the market open. No. He trades typically around market open, but some days he trades around 8 a.m. Oh no, George, wrong area. Wrong. So George is another one of my students, and he just posted his results. Bill just posted his results. So George posted in the wrong spot, but he's gonna change it. He was down and now he's back green. So good job, George. Bill's trying to do his best Andy, and he made $267. There we go, George. George. You celebrate every win, okay? Oh, Jorge. Another one that looks like George. George. 670. Nice job. Another one of my students. Digital student, and if I have to be so specific. Yeah, Daryl, I'm not that person. Oh my gosh, I need Aaron so bad in here. Where is Aaron? What time is it? 9:56. Aaron, where are you? With no MM and YB. What? That makes no sense. They're not wide at all. The NQ is like the most liquid. That and ES are the most liquid. Not sure what you mean. Carter on TikTok just said, do the mentorship. It's totally worth it. Carter's another one of my students. Whoever Big Boy is said don't do it. What an asshole. No, so it's a digital mentorship, Amber. Oh, here comes Jen. Look, all my students are posting now. Jen just made $1,100. She makes $1K a day and she's done. George made $670. This George came back from being in the red. He's green. Bill made $267. He's a student. Andy's a student. Garrett's a student. No, actually, Garrett's not a student. My bad. Michelle's a student. Camby's a student. Kieran is not. He ran the Algo last night. There we go. Yes, exactly, Jake. Because why wouldn't they? They might do it at different times of the day, but yes, they're all trading how I taught them to trade, essentially. How much concentration do I need to manually trade your setups? You don't need much. Like, you can see these people, they look for their setups and then they take the trade. Randy, he's also a student. He just posted, but he is running Bold Break, which is one of my algos. $2,600 by 9:58 a.m. Nice job, Randy. Super proud of Randy. He's been someone that has gone out on his own and really just found stuff that works for him. And he hasn't been messaging me to ask for info. He hasn't been asking for advice. He's just plugging stuff, running it in simulation, and then going live. Like exactly what people should be doing. But most people want me to hold their hand, and that's okay too. But I really appreciate when people like Randy just step up and kind of do it on their own and use the settings that I already give them, maybe tweak it a little bit to work for his taste. And then he just finds something that works for him and then he runs it. Like, that makes me the happiest. That and my students killing it makes me the happiest. Because I want to see everyone winning every day. And the minimum is $2,000. This information is given to you when you join the group. Jen's here. Thank God. Jen, we need you. Yeah, Mo. You're not actually one of those, Mo. The minimum is $2,000 to start with for the algorithm. Yes. Jerry, if I told you the name, it doesn't matter because I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader and it's all like private, whatever the word is. Fast isn't a long, but RTY isn't a short, and so is NQ. Let's see what happens there. Yeah, so the mentorship, the digital mentorship is $1,000 and you get 14 one-hour videos. They're pre-recorded, and then you also get access to the private student corner. I have a channel in my group that's just for students, so you guys can talk about setups you see, things that are happening in the market. Yeah, so the slow is in a long. Hold on, I'll show you. Where is it? Oh, I guess it's not the slow, it's the fast. Sorry. There it is. Sorry. Please. No. Yep. So if you want to learn from my mentorship starts from the most basic concepts like candlestick analysis. So if you want to learn, then you can go to my website and read more about it, boldanalysisllc.com, or just email me and say, hey, can I have more info on the mentorship or learning, because I want to do that. Yep, so we're back down in the chop zone. Manually, I wouldn't be taking a trade here, but the algo is in this long. It's already guaranteed that. Sorry, I'm over here trying to emoji people and answer all these questions. Good morning, Aaron. Oh, Aaron, we need you. So that's a good question, Mo. So if you're around earlier, I pulled this up. Let me show you. So overnight, the scalper, the one setup scalper made 1,500. These were the trades. You can see the times here and the date. So started at 12:33 in the morning and went to 8 a.m. And it made 1,500. So that was that. ES made 237. I'll show you. Are we still in this long? Yeah, we're still in this long for $400. Over here, ES had a long at 8 a.m. It made 237. YM had a long at 8 a.m. and it made $510. The other YM made $300. This one, it's 1 for 1 for 300. So YM right now is 2 for 2 for 800, and then ES is 1 for 1 for 200. So that's 1,000. And then 1,500 overnight on the scalper. So that's 2,500. And then right now we're in a short with, RTY just had a loss for 300. So 1,700. Am I adding correctly? 3,000, something like that. It's not an indicator, Michael. It is my auto trading algorithm that fully trades for you. If you want more info, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. This is my stop loss in the green. So as long as we keep moving up, it will keep moving. These little lines will keep trailing behind it like this. And when they cross under these lines, then it will take me out of the trade. Yep. No, so JK Uconquer is my moderator in this chat, so he's just giving you information. So again, right on this trade, we got long at 11,299, so let's just say 11,300, and it got out here at 328. So a 30-point move, that is $600 in the NASDAQ. So one contract just made $600 from 9:59 to 10:03. So a 4-minute trade. The bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. No, this is the fast, Anvar. So it's all included in the course, my channel. Vivi, talk about the mentorship. Vivi's in the chat. She can speak to how great the mentorship is. She knew nothing. I thought she came from forex, but she knew nothing before coming to my group, and she took the mentorship like 2 weeks ago, and now she's making like $1,000 every day. Thanks, Michael. So Shane, it depends on the size of your account, and it depends on how many contracts you're taking. So this one contract that I just took, I have to have $1,000 to take that contract, and I made $600. So it all depends on the trade, because there's not a hard target in this setup. So your profits are going to be different with every trade, if that makes sense. Yeah, so Jake, I'm always trading minis. I will never, ever, ever trade a micro. The point of saying one contract is so then you guys can understand that all you have to do is divide it by 10. And that's exactly why I make it as easy as I do. I'm always trading a mini. In no case will I ever trade a micro. So you can just kind of write that down on a Post-it, and then that will be understandable. All right, Vivi, speaking of Vivi, she just posted her results. Another digital mentorship student. She just made $1,050. Great job, Vivi. So proud of you. Again, she started the digital mentorship like 2-3 weeks ago, like not very long ago, and she's been killing it. She made $1,200 yesterday, so she's up $2,200, $2,250 on the week by just doing what I taught her. Sweet, bro. Yeah, bro. Write it down, bro. Get your sticky notes. Where's Andy? Andy used to work for a sticky note company. So Mark, if you want to trade minis, you have to have at least 7 to 10,000. If you want to trade micros, it's minimum is 2,000, but most people start with like 3 to 5. So we're not in any trades yet. So funny, trader things. Everyone's saying to take puts on the VIX. So you're literally the exact opposite. No, this is all a cash account. None of this is margin. The margin comes into play on the broker side, where they give you a discounted rate on the product, but you're never really in a margin account, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want people to think you're going to have like a margin account, you're going to owe anything, because that will never happen. If you get too close to like a liability with them where you're in a trade and you might not have enough money to cover that trade, they will physically remove you from the trade. And this is why I say that people with a small account have to trade micros, because if you try to like over leverage yourself, essentially, they will physically remove you from the trade, and then they'll charge you a $50 fee for being in that trade without enough capital. So the futures broker will keep you in check. That's for sure. All right, we're in a long now. Let's look at the 20-minute just to look. All right, so let's see if we can move back out of the chop zone and move back up. That would be really nice if we can get back above 11,333. Oh, she's so sweet. Vivi said, I have nothing in YouTube. I have nothing but great things to say about the mentorship. The way Lauren teaches makes it so digestible, and I'm working towards taking the one-on-one. Yay. Oh, I'd be so excited to teach you, Vivi. If you guys appreciate the info in the stream, please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube, or tap the screen if you're on TikTok. Just tap, 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 and then these beautiful hearts will come up, and it's great. I'm using NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader to use the auto trading algorithm. Love you, girl. I'm making some really strong female traders. That's awesome. How much do you change background? Oh, I don't know about MT4, but this is NinjaTrader. I just right click and go to properties, and then here it will, there's like a checkbox that says, do you want to use a chart background image? And you click that, and then you click an image from your, just from your computer. Damn, we didn't get this long. That would have been nice. So there's not one right now. We just had one a second ago. Yep, sure thing. Yeah, and if you're using MT4, you can also, as long as you're in NinjaTrader, you can use the bot. You can use it with MT4, you can use it with interactive brokers, you can use it with a whole plethora of brokers, but the easiest one, if you're in the US, is honestly to just, oh, we're in the trade, is honestly to just use NinjaTrader itself. What time is it? 10:10. So if you're new here, I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. Right? Did you hit the like? Good morning. This is the NASDAQ. So you would think of it as NAS 100, but I don't trade forex. I trade futures only. So to me, this is NQ. So RTY is the only one that had a loss so far on these conservative scalpers. So YM is still green, 500. It's 1 for 1. RTY is 0 for 1 for 300. And then ES is 1 for 1 for 237. So you're still, if you only ran these three today, you'd still be green about $400 on the day. Earlier, you would have been green 700. Obviously, you can turn things off whenever you want, but I typically just run them for all of the hours that they're on. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, this is the fast, so it can get kind of chopped up and crazy when things look like this. Where did I go? There we go. Let's see if this long starts moving. So where are we in relation to the chop zone? So we just left the chop zone again. We'll see if we have enough strength to move back up. Again, I don't have a level until 11,400. Nice. Very cool. Sorry, one second. Yeah, not much happening right now. This long is just kind of moving sideways. What is it? It's 10:15. Is there a report coming out today at like 10:30 something? Okay, Camby. Camby just posted again. $1,021 on the day. Nice job. Congrats, congrats. Remember, anyone posting results right now is typically a student of mine and they're manually trading because the algo doesn't start for a little while. If they're posting from overnight, then that would be like the overnight algo. Very cool. So really just hanging out at this chop zone opening, like just hanging out right here. See if we can get a push. We can see this was kind of an area of contention before. We still have not filled that gap below. We'll see if that's something that's going to happen today or not. If you have questions, let me know. I am just kind of clicking back and forth. I did hit the like. You're the best. So my account is around $10,000. I typically withdraw, but if not, it's always over 10. So in that area, because I trade minis. The most I ever take though are 2 minis. I usually just take 1 when I'm doing something like the scalper or something fast, but on range I take 2. Yep. So no, I'm not gonna switch to the 4 hour. That's not my thing. I don't swing trade. You can swing trade. Both. I don't. The total investment at the beginning. So if you are doing the Algo, then it's $500 for the Algo, and then it's, see how choppy this is getting here. I told Bill the other day that 10 to 10:30 can kind of kiss my ass. It's just not for me. Oh, and now look at this run. Get the frick out of here. This is the exact long we were just in on the fast. Well, now it's back in it, but like this market doesn't know what it wants to do at the top of the range. I mean, at the top of the zone. Sorry, I was answering someone's question. Like, look at these wicks here from earlier. I remember there's somebody I used to follow on Twitter, and I think his handle was like Wicks Don't Lie. I hate option trading. Oh, the total investment, that's what it was. So $500 for the first month of the Algo. Then you have to pay $12 for market data to NinjaTrader, and you have to pay for NinjaTrader's platform. So if you get the lease, it's like $75 per month. If you do the lifetime, it's a one-time payment. If you do the lifetime, let me know, because I can get you a $100 refund after you purchase it. $400 on this short here. But yeah, definitely at the same time, Jake. Sometimes I've gone up to 4, like especially last year when we were 90% on range. I was taking 4 contracts total, so 2 at TP1, 2 at TP2. Yep, so this is the algorithm. This is Scalper. I have about 7 algorithms, but this is Scalper. This is the slow. So it's slower than the fast, but this one and the fast one are pretty similar as far as lots of trades, lots of action. You know, your win rate's not going to be so great. It's probably going to be around 55%. Thanks. I appreciate the love. So locked up that trade there. But then I have, setups like the range. The range only trades twice per day, so much more conservative. Didn't take any trades yesterday. And this is what it looks like. It looks like this. But yeah. And this is 88% on the year. So what you need in the account is a minimum of $2,000. I'm not missing anything. It doesn't just trade because it's crossing the lines. I think that's what people don't get. Listen, I have some extra secrets. Just because it's crossing doesn't mean that it's supposed to get into trade there. Don't worry, Z. I got this. I got this. It needs more than that. Oh, yeah. Sure thing, Ken. Not in any trades right now. ES, RTY, YM, still just all one trade on the day. No, this is the NASDAQ on the futures market. It's 10:19. I'm going to wrap it up soon. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. I also went live last night. If you follow me on TikTok and you're randomly on TikTok at night, you might catch a live stream from me when I feel like it. But so I just broke it down, new trader. Literally 500 for the Algo, 2,000 for your account, 75 for the platform, and then 12 for market data. There you go. So 26, 26.50 or something. Trailer. What's trailer? You sure thing, trailer. Is this a buy or a sell? Not sure what that means. It's buying and selling when it's supposed to. Nice, Sharon. Thanks, Bo. Bo, did you get approved? Are you in the group yet? Oh my God, there's so much going on. I can't even keep track if people are like, because I know a lot of people have been waiting to get approved and fund their account. Vivi just made 2,000 now on the day. She went back for more. My students are becoming greedy. You little savages. Oh, perfect. Oh, yes, you're doing the LLC, so that takes a bit longer. Got it. Got it. It looks like NinjaTrader still haven't updated my live market data. Charlie, I would call them. Sometimes it's something on their end they need to click or switch, and I don't know why, that will give you access to live market data. Like, even though you pay for it, I think there's also, sometimes I've had a few members, this happens, where they have to call and they're like, oh, sorry, and then they click something and then voila, you have live market. So I would give them a call, Charlie. Like, you should call them. Emailing them will take too long. Just call their emergency line and then they'll get you through to somebody. Sheldon, are you on the stream? All right, I'm about to get off here, guys. I'm sending them an email, but I'll call. Yeah, an email is going to take 24 hours. I would call them for sure. Thanks, you Conquer. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. It's 10:22. So again, just to recap, YM, RTY, and ES all in the scalper doing a really good job. RTY had a loss, but it did well yesterday, so not a big deal. And overnight, the fast scalper was green like 2,500 at one time. The slow scalper was green 1,500 by 8 a.m. Oh, we might get some shorts here on YM and RTY. They are flashing on my right-hand side. I wouldn't mind these. Maybe we'll go and fill that gap. So these might take a short in a minute. And remember, RTY tried to take a short before. That is what failed. So, all right, well, we'll see what happens. And I'll keep you guys updated throughout my stories on TikTok, on Instagram. If you have questions, again, please email me. I am more than happy to answer them for you. And NQ scalper is also in a short. So, yeah, we'll see how this works out. So, all right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow at 9:15. All right. Oh, now it's green. Where is that? Hold on. Let's find this 5-minute NQ. Now it's like killing it. I don't even know what I have it on. There we go. Oh, it's only green like $50. Never mind. But this was red. Now it's green 300. So actually, that's pretty cool. So maybe I'll just show you guys this trade and then I'll get off. So this is the conservative scalper on NQ. It was in this short and it was red about, I don't know, a few $100s before, and now it's green 250, and this is exactly why I took that stop loss off. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll wrap this up because I got a lot of emails to answer and people in the group to talk to. So have a good one. Bye. Bye. Bye.